Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your update on Ethereum. Wanted to make an update on that. I have been covering Ethereum a little bit less, to be honest. Not a lot of people watch these videos, which I don't mind that much because I do know there's a tight community of Cilinix Crypto community members who do watch this. So this is for you. But yeah, we'll do a full overview of Ethereum. Apart from that, I also think it's interesting. I hold quite a bit of Ethereum in my DeFi wallets and stuff. So yeah, it's good to know what's going on. And in this video, what we'll do is we'll do a brief like outlook on next week. We have some big economic events, but apart from that, we'll talk about the technicals, all right? Because the technicals right now, in my eyes, are pretty clear. Obviously, nothing is certain, but I do have a pretty clear idea of what at least I think is going to happen with Ethereum. So I'll tell you about that, and I'll tell you why I think that and why I've analyzed it like that. But before we dive into Ethereum specifically, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, which if you want to check that out, if you want to see the perks like my trading setups, my own trades, an exclusive community and my trading guides, check out the links in the description or the pinned comment, or go to cilinix.com. Which might be even easier, but that's up to you, and in the end it's up to you whether you want to join or not, all right? I just wanted to give you that notice. But for now, let's dive into Ethereum. So what we've seen over the course of the last couple of days is that, first of all, Ethereum is just very, very correlated to Bitcoin. I would go as far as saying that we are a bit stronger because in the end, Ethereum has just held its support level around 1825. Whereas Bitcoin, with this bearish momentum, I believe the 24th of July, yeah, there Bitcoin actually had a major bearish breakout. So for now, Ethereum is still stronger than Bitcoin, but I do think that's about to change. And the main reason for that is I think, first of all, that the market structure is 100% confirmed bearish. Doesn't mean that we cannot get a reversal. It does mean that a reversal is unlikely. You can see that the EMAs right now are really trending down. Kind of the same as we were doing the 24th of July, actually. But now we also have the 200 EMA, which is really serving as resistance. And this, to be honest, was my analysis from last video I made, that at some point of time I expected something like this. And I think this is pretty close, right? Yesterday was really the day in which we could still have some sort of a reversal. We did not. So now 1825, solid support level, has held us for a long time, but it does look like there's not enough strength anymore. You can also see with the eye test, just that the highs are getting lower and the support level is getting tested. And we're getting spikes down below that support level. So at some point of time, I still expect a bearish breakout down to this support level right here, around 1780. And this trend line will just delete. That was more for the visualization that we are actually in a downtrend, but it's not a respectable trend line. Perhaps you could use a trend line like this for some temporary support around 1800. I do expect some support there, to be fair, but yeah, after all, I think after breaking 1825, 1780 is most likely. All right, so that's my technical outlook on Ethereum. Now, apart from that, next week is pretty important fundamentally because on Thursday, we have the inflation rate and the CPI, right? That's going to make the market move when it happens, but also before that happens. So I will keep you updated on that, but not in this video, all right? I'm trying to keep these videos, easy to watch, not too long. So I'll cover that in my next Ethereum video, but also in my Bitcoin update tomorrow. So if you're interested in that, keep an eye on that. But for now, this is my take on Ethereum. So I want to wish you all a great weekend. Take care and bye.